Most people think discipline is about force, pressure, or punishment, but real discipline is something very different. And once you understand this, everything changes. Discipline is not about being hard on yourself, it's about being loyal to the version of you that you're becoming. When discipline feels heavy, it's because you're trying to drag an old identity into a new life. When discipline feels natural, it's because your identity and your actions are finally aligned. Discipline is not something you do once, it's something you practice daily. Just like focus, just like awareness, just like emotional control. Up until now, you may have tried to rely on motivation, but motivation is unreliable. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline is what carries you forward on the days you don't feel like it, the days you doubt yourself, the days your mind tries to pull you back into old patterns. Discipline is not intensity, it's consistency. It's not doing everything perfectly, it's doing the basics even when no one is watching. Every disciplined action reinforces your identity. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your trust grows. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your trust erodes. This is why discipline is really about self-respect. You don't build discipline by trying harder, you build it by lowering the bar and showing up anyway. Small acts done daily reshape your nervous system, your habits, and your confidence. Discipline trains your mind to follow through. It teaches your brain that you are someone who finishes what you start. And when discipline becomes a practice instead of a punishment, it stops feeling like effort and starts feeling like alignment. This is how people build momentum without burnout. This is how consistency becomes automatic. This is how discipline stops being something you struggle with and starts being something you embody. Today is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters on purpose again and again until it becomes who you are.